In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix FPS drop while gaming on Windows. So let's get started. So I'm going to share to you an easy way for this. So for that, we need to press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here we need to simply type regedit regedit and click on OK. And here you just need to simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So here is the first path. Okay. So do not worry, this registry path will be posted in the description section of this video. And you just need to simply put that right here in the top, Control V and hit enter. And you will be directed into the path that we are going to navigate. So the first path is computer, HK current user, system, GameConfigStore. And on the right pane, you will find this option, game, or you will find this value name, GameDVR enabled. Double click on that value name and then simply change that to 0. Again, set the value data to 0 and click on OK. Now, you have to close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, again press Windows key and letter R button together. Type regedit, hit enter. Now here is the second path. So we need to copy it, Control C to copy, and then paste it here, Control V, hit enter. And you will be directed into this path. So computer, HK local machine, software, Microsoft, PolicyManager, default application management, and AllowGameDVR. And on the right pane, you will find this value name called value. Double click on that and change the value data to 1. Okay, change the value data to 1 and click on OK and then close this. And just restart your Windows once again, and that's how you can fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.